Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and hope everyone is having an amazing day so far. So today I decided to come in here and show you guys a quick, easy, soft glam Valentine's Day look. I know we're not in February yet, but I just wanted to like start off with this, sort of like easy look. If you have a date you need to attend or something, or you have an event, you can totally rock this look. So if you're interested, definitely do keep on watching, and please watch this video till the end. And if you like it, kindly give this video a thumbs up. That's how I would know y'all want to see more videos like this, okay? And if you're new here, welcome. Please introduce yourself down below in the comment section. Don't be shy, just say hello and I'll be there to reply you ASAP, okay? And if you have any questions for me about this video, if you have any thoughts about the video, let me know also in the comment section. And don't forget to share the link of this video with your friends. You never know who might need to watch something like this, okay? And if you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but please subscribe down below. There's a red subscribe button below this video right now. If you click on it, you'll be subscribed, and there's a bell that will show up almost immediately. Click on the bell and you'll be able to get notifications when we have new videos, okay? All right, so I'll let you watch this video now, and I'll come back later on to talk to you guys, okay? I'm using this eyeshadow palette from the Newborn Beauty. This is the Wishes eyeshadow palette, and I'm picking up that soft brown with a sort of like a pointy blending brush, and I'm just applying that brown on my crease. And now I went over with a translucent powder to sort of like set the concealer underneath my brows, so that everything will be easy once I start blending out the crease area like you see me doing right now. And already I went into this sort of like white eyeshadow color from the Younger Beauty Ariel eyeshadow palette, and I just spread that all over my lid. Then I went ahead to blend the brown into the brown shade that I already applied initially, back and forth, and that's it. Very easy. You can do this in like 2 minutes. And I also used a brown gel liner on my lid. Now I'm just applying my glue directly on my lid, and now I'm just going to fix my lashes with my hands, because I feel like it's easier for me, instead of using a tweezer. So yeah, that's what's up, you guys. Now I'm just pressing the lashes in to make sure it stays put. And now I'm using my white pencil for my waterline, and I'll go over using a brown the same brown shade I applied initially, the first one. I'm using a stick brush to pack this on my lower lash line, I will use a brush to further diffuse all the edges, so just to make sure everything is soft. And that's it pretty much. Now I'm just spraying my face to get rid of all that powder and cakiness. Let that dry down. Now I'm applying my glow. Y'all know this one is from Younger Beauty, my favorite. I always use it all the time. And I'm just highlighting all the high points of my face, my cupid's bow, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, so I can be looking like a fine girl. All right, so after this I lined my lips, then I started applying the gloss. Actually used two glosses. The first one I used is the House of Tara lip gloss. That's what I'm using right there. Is the High Shine Lip Stain. I've had it for a really long time. I don't even know how much it's sold for anymore. And immediately I went over with my NYX Intense Butter Gloss. Y'all can see how intense this gloss is. Like, this gloss can stay on lips for the whole day. Like, it's so beautiful. I got it as a gift from my auntie, so I don't really know how much it's sold, but yeah, I really loved how this look came together. And now I'm just using mascara for my waterline, for my bottom lashes. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.